I was opening one and it just popped off like it was.
Yeah, and that's what happened to Esteban yesterday. So maybe it was old or something, who knows?
It may have been. The one that I have right now, the tabs open perfectly and they're bending really well, so I'm just going to replace it.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you. So not even a year ago, I was serving tables. And I'm a single mom. Let me talk to her because you need to have your green screw in here for the grounding. Because I was in the service industry for so long, when COVID hit, I realized just how unstable it was. Unfortunately, the front of the house, so any server, hostess, bartender, we were the first people in the line to lose our jobs. And that really got me to thinking, like, if this happens again in the future, and you know, pandemics, it will at some point in time. So I just thought, well, this isn't very stable. So I got to thinking, like, maybe I need to go back to school, and maybe I need to do something that is going to be stable, that no matter what happens, I'm absolutely going to be needed. I'm looking for a green screw that goes right here in the pancake box. So when I did this, I never actually came into wanting to do the school with the intention of becoming a carpenter or working in the trades. Okay. In June, when I got offered the position to work with the school, I thought it was the most perfect opportunity because it got me out of working in the service industry, and I'm still tied to construction in some sort of way. And, you know, if anything were to happen, I definitely feel that job security in being able to go somewhere and do either electrical, plumbing, or even just carpentry. He found me a screw so I can just put it in there. That's all I was looking for. So now they'll put this up there where she's running that wire. So he's just got to knock that out and put a little bushing through it, and then they can install it. Yeah. Alrighty, thank you. ¿Cómo estás, Jackie? Not those pliers. Do you have the other ones that are flat right here on the top? So ideal is for anybody and everybody. If you're looking to really challenge yourself, if you're looking to do something that you've never done before but has always intrigued you, if you like working with your hands, ideal is absolutely the place to be. Esteban, what you doing?
So I have to redo it. I want it.
Okay, sounds good. These are for your GFCI boxes for outside.
Okay.
So the state's requiring these now. Absolutely, you can do it. It's hard. And don't get me wrong, I sit here with a smile, but it really is difficult. But I believe that if you set your mind to it, and if there is something that you really, really want, you can achieve it. And that's the mentality that you have to come into this. The trades are not easy, but they are so worth it. Es que las mías están más grandes. These ones are kind of small. Let me go grab you mine, okay? Jacks. It always fails.